Put him in a headlock. Is that when Jebus stowed up and that somebody stole my mixer, you think you had anything to do with that?
Oh, you think he paid somebody?
We're here, first thing in the morning, Team West Coast. Alex getting his water up. Jack came out to sell tables in his truck. Jack's spot, he has empty tables for sale. Look at this. Alex has a love-making chair. Where'd you get this baby at? It's a little dirty. Looks like he tried it out. This is the perfect time for us to offer our services for the bet we lost in the pirate games to help you unload. Come on, we got this. I thought it was just one time where we were all here and had extra time.
Yeah, Monday. At the trailer.
Look at that. It's Incredible Hulk. That reminds me of Alex. Hulk smash. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this little rabbit. I bet all the ladies would love that, like George and Amber and Sarah and Jackie. No, 150 is the least I'm going. I don't need to go that low. She's gonna pay it either way. She'll pay us the 160. So tell her 150. It's a good deal. That's a Drexel bed set. Are we talking about jacket and taste? Wait, are you putting this out today?
Yeah.
So I could say you're getting tased. I don't want to put this out before you announced it, right? So if I put this out after
I gotta go to my unit and film this safe video.
Oh yeah, you got a safe?
Yes.
The
Nice.
thumbnail show. I changed.
It's
the
heavy
thumbnail
too. When I flopped it yesterday, it went poop poop. I'm mad though because the unit I didn't record. It was this unit. I didn't record it.
Why?
Because it was. I didn't feel like doing all the extras.
Why? I could have made a video.
But
out of
I
it.
didn't
could have come out
record
and
it,
filmed.
right?
I could have had a video.
I get to the back of the unit and see it's safe. Oh my God! I'm like,
Dude.
I was so mad.
I'm mad because I could have come out and filmed it and used it for my
But
damn
it was
self.
after I blew my back out too. I couldn't put it in the truck.
And
or
I could have
nothing.
put that on the video too. You blowing your back out and you're still out here because we got this competition to deal with. That's how tough we are. I just took a video a second ago of some Incredible Hulks and thing, and I said that was you.
You know what you need to do?
What?
You need to put get an eclipse sign.
An eclipse?
An eclipse.
Like a total eclipse of the heart?
Go to. Now look, I'm gonna let you know how to make this. Go to Google. Google eclipse, right?
Yeah.
After you Google the eclipse, screen put Jebus in the corner, him standing there with his big shoes, right?
Yeah.
And then put like, oh look who's in town. He blocked the sun with his foot.
That's funny?
That's funny.
All right.
That wasn't funny how it came out.
No. You see all of the smack that they've been talking, especially Jebus? Did you get a chance to watch it? Oh, you don't think you've seen
I watched it.
The one where we had like our faces on pieces of paper and he was driving us over with the car and he had this little 3-year-old.
Yeah, that was the stuff right there.
Yeah. The 3-year-old was the first funniest thing he's ever done on his YouTube channel. Shout out to that Jebus. I appreciate that.
It up.
Yeah.
Stomping it out.
Him and baby Jebus had their little Nerf guns. Oh, look at us. We got AK-47s and missile launchers.
He did pull out all his guns.
Yeah, like, oh, we're from the West Coast. We ain't scared of guns. I thought you knew that. They don't let us have them, but that don't mean the people that carry them don't have them. Baby girl.
What?
You have anything you want to say to the Hales or Jebus?
Thank you, sir. Not yet.
Not yet. You don't want to talk, right? We don't talk. We walk.
Yeah.
Perfect. I like where you're going with this. You ain't got nothing to say unless you're face to face. Princess don't talk. That's what she just does. This is the difference between the West Coast and this is the Beast Coast. They call themselves the Beast Coast, but this is what they look like. This is the West Coast. We symbolize beast mode. Ah!
I didn't start realizing stuff like that. And then like the mind frame is starting to change. That's why that thing.
That first rug on the back.
Like you guys said.
She isn't even think it anymore. She just does it.
Yeah, I didn't. 20.
They also asked you to pickpocket somebody.
Pickpocket somebody.
Yeah, that's what they were saying for her to pickpocket somebody.
I was surprised. And I did this one. I didn't record it. It's a huge unit. And I get to the back and there's a safe back there. Then I gotta record that. So
Let me do the unboxing at the flea market. Scared. There's just snake in there, isn't it? It's gonna bite me. It's gonna bite me. I don't trust you guys. 3, 2, 1.
Snake! Oh, what?
I think we found a gun.
musical instruments.
We're at the place of the meteor. It looks like it could be meteor.
I just shot Jebus with a ninja star.
Don't play with me.
Photon laser. You guys need a flashlight when you go to the auction?
You know, we kind of do. I just thought about that. With the lock. We're use this to lock up our units. I think it looks good, right? I mean, it's about their height, but it looks good.
Ooh, which one's this one?
Nice.
What do they call these ones? Bio something? Robotex.
Robotex.
This is like my childhood in a box.
Hey, you're that old?
Crazy.
It is.
The car's still kid.
There we go. Found a gun in a suitcase.
Here's the snake.
See, what I tell you? I told you guys they have a snake in there.
Luke, I am your father.
There's a snake in my boots.
This guy looks good.
This is what the East Coast is going to look like when we're done with them.
What are you?
Picking that up, baby girl. Here's some batteries for your flashlight.
I feel like we opened it the wrong way.
Now we really push it too far.
Oh.
We got a sight on it. That looks like
Look at this. It's a He-Man watch.
That's old.
This is a He-Man too. This is money.
Who's this?
Oh, my daughter would probably like this one.
You got heavy bag gloves too.
Wasn't this He-Man too?
Yeah, that could be. They
I
did
don't
have
know.
He-Man stuff in there.
Got his wings clipped.
What? You hand me all that money for this?
A couple
I asked you how much it was. You didn't want to say
Oh,
nothing.
we can have a boxing match.
All right, let's get it on.
You didn't say nothing.
That was a cool little.
From 1975.
Really? You got Star Wars. Over there. Put those in the box.
Cool. You got 2 pairs of heavy bag gloves too. Michael Jackson. Megatron. Pretty beat up.
I mean, Mega Man.
1980.
80's good, right?
Yes, sir.
Voltron got tore
Lie
up.
that man.
It's another Michael.
You want to say hello to YouTube and introduce
Hey,
yourself?
what's up, everybody, man?
What's
Flacco, that's what everybody calls me,
Flacco.
family. Or Jay.
He goes to the auction. I don't know if you guys have seen him at the auction, but he sells next to me, him and his wife and children. Storage buyer. You
It's
should
a
start a
family
YouTube
affair.
Got a voodoo doll.
Yeah.
With the
You
head.
just start going through and making videos.
Yeah. Get
pretty
to work
simple.
with the family every day.
I love my
Wait till
job.
8 o'clock to go home.
Yep. You go home when you want to. But you could wait till 8 o'clock if you want to, because that's your choice.
Yeah, that's right.
There you go. Did you guys find Michael Jackson's glove?
Belt. Yeah, you got a Tonka too. It's old, but
Nice. Oh, that is his belt. Oh, wow. I probably had that when I was a kid. I swear when I, like about 1984, I used to have one of those skin tight 100 zipper Michael Jackson leather pants and jacket.
you want to go?
Huh?
Let's bang it out.
What do you say?
What was on the bottom?
More.
Not so much toys. What are these? Are these the old school? You gotta start somewhere, right?
I foresee this is what Jeremy's going to look like in a few days. What do you think?
My wife has.
What are we doing?
I'm gonna hustle you so hard right now. I'm putting chains out.
Yeah, I like the old toys.
We playing craps?
It's on.
Are we gambling?
Don't put your life savings on. Yeah, we're gambling. All right, let's go. 8.
That's good. That's good. That's not bad.
7 out.
Ooh.
Trick dice. I'm gonna take his dollar.
8. Isn't 8 the same as 8? He already had an 8, so he has to get an 8.
He has to get an 8.
Oh, I was 9. My math's off.
6 and 8 run together, but he got to stop in the middle at 7.
I thought it was a 6 and 2. I also thought today was Monday.
That's the hardest dollar I ever had to work for. No, really.
You put it away? Ask
We
George.
just call the cops and say you're gambling with that.
Ask George where it went.
It's a win-win.
Go find it.
That's cool.
Somebody stole my mixer.
The red one?
Yeah.
7.
Really does.
Are them trick dice? I don't know, man.
Well, me and George are going to have a talk.
There it is, you lost. I win. You're gambling with under. They're calling You gotta know how to roll them. See that? That'd have been another dollar out your pocket. And another one.
These things are loaded, don't lie.
No, I just know how to shoot those things.
You know, the flea market pisses me off sometimes. Here we are trying to have fun, and somebody stole my damn KitchenAid mixer.
Damn, I would have bought that
It's
off
gone.
you too.
I would have bought it off me too for that price.
How much was it?
100 or best offer. And now it's gone. Somebody stole it. What do you guys say to thieves, Alex?
To thieves,
Yeah.
don't let us catch you.
Don't let us catch you.
Straight up, that's all.
Straight
I'm
up.
gonna say. Don't let us catch you.
Jebus, what do you do if a thief
You guys are lucky we're on the West Coast. On the East Coast, we handle thieves a little bit differently.
You see that? He points at him.
He points at him. All right. We're poisoning them with secret apples here. They're not going to make it to the rest of the competition. The AK? I think it's his. He's got an AK and a bottle of butane. How much is it? What about the fishing poles? You had good stuff? Can I have the trailer? I think you guys are gonna need these by the end of this competition.
I think you guys are gonna look like your lamp here. You guys are gonna look just like your lamp.
That's the way your legs are gonna look at the end of this.
Look at it. Look at the West over here.
That's what your legs are gonna look like at the. Baby girl, put him in a headlock. Put him in a headlock. Come on. Chicken. Jeebus, how much do you charge to clean a house?
Oh, good footed. Good job, East Sider.
We got our new employees out here.
We're trying to do it for free if these guys can't afford to pay people. So, we're working in Dallas trying to help them out.
Charity work, I love it. I appreciate that, man. Jack, I got to ask you a question real quick, Jack. Do you think it's no coincidence that when Jebus stowed up and that somebody stole my mixer, you think he had anything to do with that?
Oh, you think he paid somebody?
I don't know if one of them snuck off and did it. He paid somebody to steal my mixer, but he might have something to do with that.
Maybe the East Coast have some power over there.
Wow, this is
Got
ridiculous.
some fans pulling for them.
Yeah.
Dirty.
Just a thought.
Dirty.
See you in the morning. Don't be late. You know where we're meeting at, right?
Yeah, it's 10:30, right?
Be ready to represent. I guess Jeremy made it early and he bought a unit.